It is Tuesday, August 9, 11:05 a.m. Just a quick update of what's going on. Not really much going on when it comes to Forex, but I'll go through it quickly. The 10-year yield is about the same. So are the notes, 10-year notes. Oil is still not doing much of anything. I'll be selling here, buying here, possibly. Gold is got close to a sell in here that I'll keep an eye on, but like I said, I'm still holding some micro positions on the MES, MNQ, and M2K and MYM. They're looking better. I mean, we had moved below this stage in here, this point, which is bearish. This meaning once we break this, then it's pretty much all the way down to 40.27, even further throughout the week. But we'll see. Bulls have been relentless, and every time we go down to this level in here or in here, we're seeing a lot of buying. So we'll see. I'm not keeping my hopes up. I'm still thinking we should be much lower. They maybe are waiting for tomorrow's news, and then they'll decide whether this market is going to go down or start moving back up again. MNQ is very similar. We're looking at, we broke this in here, which is support, broke it, resistant, and broke it again, meaning once we break this level here, then it's 731 and even 434. M2K seems to be moving the most. It broke this level in here, the midpoint, and it's in here now. So anything below here, then it's 1853 and 1809. So we still have a few more hours for the day, so we'll see what happens. MYM is not doing much of anything. As for the Forex, like I said, I put a limit sell in here that's not even close. Nothing there, still waiting. The order's still in place. Nothing in here. The Aussie is got filled for short, and it's making a little bit. The Aussie, New Zealand, Aussie Kiwi, I have a limit here that's just sitting, not doing anything. And the same thing with AED, yen. Nothing going on here. Nothing. Oh, this one, possible short at the. I think I have a limit sell for the Swiss yen. I'll check it here, but I think I have a short waiting. If not, I'll add one in here. The pound Australian, I think it fell. I put the order on in here at, I think, 72.77. And it moved up, but because of the spread, I think I missed this by maybe a tick or two. Would have been a nice gain, but not a whole lot. But I missed this fell in here, so I'm still nothing in here. Pound CAD is not doing anything. So is the pound yen. Pound Swiss, I had recalculated my numbers. I just can't do the indicator because it's still based on the that bar that was in here. So this is my new level. So I'm long. I added a new long in here at 15.10, and the goal is hopefully to go here, maybe possibly in here somewhere. I just did this a few minutes ago. Nothing on the sterling. I have a limit in here that never got filled. Still waiting. I have a limit buy for the AED. I'm sorry, on the Euro AED that never got filled as well. Euro Swiss, the same thing. I got a limit buy in here that's still waiting. Euro CAD is not doing anything. Euro New Zealand not doing anything. Euro is not doing anything. Euro yen and Euro pound is not doing anything. It's really been a really boring week so far. There's not much going on. So typical summer trading, which we haven't seen much of. It's been really volatile for summer, but this week is not. It's just waiting on something to happen or some piece of news to break. I have a limit sell for New Zealand yen in here, and it's just still holding. Nothing's being filled. Nothing in here. I have a sell limit for the New Zealand still waiting. I am long the Swissy, and I will add down here. It's losing some money now, but not much. I have a limit buy for the yen, and I'm long the Canadian in here, and it's moving okay. Palantir is not doing well. We had the earnings, and it was disappointing, so just all things collapsing now. So we'll see if this doesn't hold. I'll wait a little bit for this. If that doesn't hold, then I'm going to be out of this position for good. I've been sitting on it for 6 months. Apple is not doing anything at all. My ETF positions are doing okay. I'm short from here, and I wanted to go down to this level in here to start making money, and it's break even now. I think it's a spread, and it's a butterfly, so they work differently. I am short on the XLK in here. Wanted to go down here, but I needed to go down here within 7 days, or stay here for 7 days at 143. So we'll see how that goes. It's so far. I have 10 more days on the butterfly to expire. XOP, I bought it long, about a long butterfly in here, and I wanted to go up to 130, 250 and stay there within 7 days. So it's still break even. And I want the XLC to go down to this level, and it's not so far. Yeah, I'm just keeping an eye on the euro. It's not even doing much. This one I did speak about last week. I can't remember what day it was, but I did say this is just absolute mania and mayhem. Those stocks are just absolutely ridiculous the way they move. So, and I didn't buy it. Of course, no way I'll touch anything in here. I couldn't sell it. I couldn't short it or buy puts, unfortunately. But if I could, I would have made some really good money. The problem is if you only bought 10 shares in here, let's say just you have some money and you bought 10 shares in here, you're down $22,000, and this is in less than a week. I said in 1 week we're going to be seeing 90. I said it in a video. Again, I can't remember what day it was, and here it is down from 25.50 down to 200, and probably by the end of the day today. And I think I said it here on Tuesday of last week when this is what's going on. And now we're going to see it back at, I think at 90 by today or tomorrow. And AM TD was doing the same thing as well, just ridiculous, just stupid movements in here. Moved it to 14. I could have shorted this one, but decided to wait and went down back to $14.2, which is what the leading used to be. So not much is going on. It's just been a boring week. I am up slightly. I'm about $10 with all my positions here with the Forex. I'm still holding pretty much the same. I'm looking at AUD CAD. I'm 29 pips away from being filled. 39, 81, 67, 71. So some are getting close to getting filled and some are not. So by Thursday afternoon, if those are not filled, then we cancel and take it as a slow week or break-even week. That's all for the day, and I'll update if anything else gets filled or get exited.